Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some DIY headboard designs, and we are going to be reacting to them. So here we have someone, they live in a small space, an apartment, and they're looking for something that's budget friendly. Headboards can be so expensive, so if you can make your own, do it. So there is the before. And here is the vibe with the headboard. Wow, this came out so good. Amazing. I love her whole design aesthetic. Looks so relaxing. Very nice. And then we have someone at the dollar store buying some items from for their headboard. So they say their mom wouldn't let them buy one. Who knew you can go to the dollar store and buy some items to create your own headboard? That's pretty crazy. Okay, so they turned that fabric material that was like a scarf inside out, and then they did like a white headboard here. This is actually pretty cool. And in something like this, the material they showed us, it looks like it would only cost like maybe like 15 bucks, if that, maybe like 20. And for $20, I think that's a pretty good headboard, honestly. So moving on to the next one, here are the materials that they used. Loving this green velvet shade. That is just so pretty. So they're going for like the tufted look. Wow, that came out so good. And I just, like I said, I love this green shade. This looks so high-end and professional, like they spent a lot of money on it, for sure. Very nice. Oh, another kind of velvet headboard design. So they used planks of wood for this and then wrapped the material in it. That came out really nice. And then we have someone kind of doing like a built-in. Now this would not be an apartment friendly design. Just putting it out there. And it looks like they use contact paper. Wow. Now this looks very professional. Look at this. That is crazy good. I like the floating side tables too. Nice concept. Alright, so this next DIY headboard does involve some woodwork. So we got people that are like professional making headboards, and then people that are amateur. Oh, they made a whole frame. Okay, so they didn't make a headboard. They just made the bed frame. DIY leather headboard. Oh, this is different. It looks kind of like two pillows floating on the wall. Or is that just me? But not in like a bad way. Oh, I like the statement wall they have. Yeah, that's pretty much what he did. Interesting. Wow, what a nice space. Birthday room renovation. Oh, can you imagine doing something like this on your birthday? That is really cool. Alright, so they have some line art wallpaper that they're putting up. And that's them making a headboard there. Planks of wood with a velvet pink. Oh, I love this. Oh, wow. Oh, such a fun bedroom. Very nice. That gel stain looks really chunky, like it was expired or something. Are you really supposed to rotate your mattress every 6 months? I didn't know that. Oh, so they're using pool noodles. Yes. I feel like the pool noodles make the best headboard, seriously. So she used pool noodles and cardboard for this and then put the fabric over it. This is genius. Okay, I think she did have some wood here for some support as well. Look at the funky shape. I love it. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.